Hi.
What are you doing here? What did I tell you when you asked me of my place? Who told you of where I live?
Look, I happen to know my way around.
You happen to know your way around. Were you stalking me?
No, nothing like that.
No, it's obvious you were stalking me.
No, I wasn't. Please, just calm down, okay? You look like you're upset. That wasn't my intention. I don't mean any harm, please.
Jesus. Please. I don't want to get more upset this minute. Leave my house.
Look, please, just calm down.
Leave! Get out!
Look, I understand that you've had
I don't want to hear anything from you. Just leave!
I just want...
Leave. Get out!
Look,
Get out of this place!
I just want to get to know you. I don't mean any... Fine.
I want you to leave! Get out!
I'll leave.
I don't want to know anything about you or anybody! Stay away from my life! I don't want you! Get out!
Look, I just wanted to be friends, all right? I just want to be friends, that's all.
I said leave! Get out! I don't want to have anything with any man again in my life. I don't want.
Never believe.
Bokelechi, you safe. They don't tell you say you don't do. You still they do. What's be your problem? Leave am na me chopping food. Oh, we don't agree. Okay, now, okay, fine. Carry cup, they go, no wahala.
Wetin concern you now? Wetin you know say now me and Ogaspa they discuss now. Come keep your mouth. Wetin you know?
See, I'm here.
Oh, okay.
Wetin you know about building now?
But wetin me I still know be say that foundation where they dig for where water land dey, they suppose dig and make go inside where so that the foundation go strong, so that the house no go sink one day. But anyway, no wahala. As you don't talk your own, oh, you are entitled to your own opinion. There you go. If you not do, I go still put
want
no meat now?
Hey.
Believe me, I know they lie for you. I don't know why.
What's going on here?
Welcome, sir.
What's the issue?
Good day, sir.
No issue.
You say there's no issue, but I saw you guys exchange. What's going on?
So it was just a little argument between them. They were debating about a strong foundation and a solid one in a wet and dry land. But in my own opinion, I feel it's better you have a solid foundation in a swampy area than the one on the dry land.
You seem to know a lot about buildings.
I don't really know much, but you know, I serve food in places like this, so I try to put my ears down to understand one or two things that they talk about.
Oh wait, so you're the woman who sells food here that all the workers have been raving about, that your food is amazing?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's me, I'm the one. It's just God's grace.
So how much food do you have left?
I have about... I have about 3,000 naira food left.
Ah. You know what? Just give the rest of the food to the workers. Just find out how much food they want, and just give them everything you have. I'll pay for it.
Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir.
No problem at all.
Okay,
Just
sir.
make sure that everyone has some food. All right? I'll sort out everything.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, boss.
Find out what they want and
Such
then...
a fruitful day for me, oh. Everybody, please, oh. What do you people want? What do you care for? Rice, meat?
Who is this girl? What do you know about her?
Oga, I don't know much about her, but she normally comes here to sell food for us.
What about where she lives? You don't have any idea where she lives?
It's like she lives at St. Brown Street. You know that uncompleted building opposite that St. Brown's house, the pink house there, the uncompleted building. She just stay around that side.
St. Brown. I know the area. That's where she lives.
Yes.
St. Brown.
Yes, very small.
Sorry. Did you find out what they wanted? Yes. Okay, just go ahead and serve them.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you're welcome. So, where do you live around here? Where do you stay?
I'm sorry, sir, but it's not your business.
It's fine. I was just curious. That's all. Hi.
What are you doing here? What did I tell you when you asked me of my place? Who told you of where I live?
Look, I happen to know my way around.
You happen to know your way around. Were you stalking me?
No, nothing like
No,
that.
it's obvious you were stalking me.
No, I wasn't. Please, just calm down, okay? You look like you're upset. That wasn't my intention. I don't mean any harm, please.
Jesus. Please. I don't want to get more upset this minute. Leave my house.
Look, please, just calm down.
Leave! Get out!
Look, I understand that you've had...
I don't want to hear anything from you. Just leave!
I just want...
Leave. Get out!
Look,
Get out of this
I just want
place!
to get to know you. I don't mean any... Fine.
I want you to leave! Get out!
I'll leave.
I don't want to know anything about you or anybody! Stay away from my life! I don't want you! Get out!
Look, I just wanted to be friends, all right? I just want to be friends, that's all.
I said leave! Get out! I don't want to have anything with any man again in my life. I don't want. Come on, bro. This is the third and will be the last time you will ever in this life force yourself on me. Don't you ever
You do this with me around every corner in this house. Anytime, any day you want it. What kind of a man are you? I promise you, any day you try this with me again, I will tell my sister. I will report you to my sister and you will rot in jail. Leave me alone. Leave me. My sister is back. Leave me alone. My sister is back. I repeat, don't you ever do this with me again. Don't you?
Oh, baby. Good morning. And how was shopping?
It was fine.
Very, very fine.
I had a great time.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay, so you know what? You go to your room, okay? I want to discuss something with your mom.
Okay, Daddy.
All right, come on.
Honey, are you okay?
Yeah. I'm not okay.
What happened?
Your sister. Your sister.
What about her?
She doesn't want me to enjoy myself. She doesn't want to calm down, relax so I can just enjoy myself the way I want to enjoy it. You know, relax. She's making things so difficult for me. She needs to calm down, right? Calm down and give it to me the way I want it.
Is that all?
Yeah.
Is that why you're getting yourself all work?
What? Sister Tracy. You knew all this while. You knew all along?
Calm down.
Calm down what? No. Calm down for what exactly? Now tell me. Tell me one good reason I should calm down. You know, all this while, I felt I was betraying you. Even though I was being forced, I sincerely thought I was betraying you, but no. You see, the only reason why I did not tell you was because I knew how much this marriage means to you. I knew how much you protected this marriage. And I wouldn't want to be the one to put an end to your marriage. But no, I was wrong. I was wrong. Yes, I was wrong.
Fina, calm down.
This is not happening.
I can't explain. What are you doing? I can't.
This is not.
Fina,
This is not happening.
Sorry. Come, you better go and explain to her. Okay? Go explain to her, tell her to calm down.
what are you saying?
Just tell her to calm down.
That's my sister.
Yeah, let her calm down so I can enjoy myself. Okay? I mean, then she needs to be submissive. Alright? I mean, just make me enjoy myself. You're like... Sorry. But she needs to calm down, even when I want to do it. Shh. Okay?
Are you mad?
I am not mad, but you need to talk to her. Tell her to calm down. Let her be submissive to me. Okay, let me enjoy her body. That's what she should...
Forgetting that is my sister.
Just go and explain to her. She's giving me a whole lot of problems. Just look at me. Huh? If I want it on the table, she will give it to me. I want it anywhere. And not on the bed. She needs to be submissive. Let me enjoy that small, slim, slimy body. God, I'm enjoying myself.
Did you buy boxers for me?
I am sorry. I am sorry. Maybe it was after that first time he saw you on shorts. What are you doing?
I want her.
You want who?
Your sister. I want her.
God forbid. Are you mad?
You're asking me if I'm mad. See, let me tell you. Whatever Frank wants, Frank gets. If I don't get her, consider this marriage as dead. That means you're no longer interested in this marriage. Exactly.
Baby, wait.
So what?
Wait now.
So what am I getting her?
You know how important this marriage is to me.
Uh-huh.
But that's my sister now. That's my baby sister. Okay. She's still a virgin.
A virgin? Wow. Thank you for this information. It's now getting more interesting. Don't you understand? A virgin. That means she still has the oil. Okay? So, I mean, you were busy selling your body to take care of her. Okay? To feed her and everything. Now it's time for her to pay back. Right? She's a virgin. Wow. Good information.
No.
Oh, thank you. See, you have to make it work. Seriously. I need to test that virginity because you didn't give it to me. So, hers will be better. Alright? God. So you need to go talk to her. I'm serious. If you don't do it, trust me, this marriage is over. I'll go out there and get a very young, sweet girl. And she'll come to this house, get pregnant, and give me a son. And she'll also allow me to do whatever I want to do. Alright? And she'll be ready for me to bring in any girl I want and take them to where I want. And she will be ready to open it for me. Wow. You understand? And I will be hitting hard. So you better go talk to her. Okay? Because you're useless. No, look at you, you're useless. You weren't a virgin. Now she's a virgin. And you did everything for her to be okay. So it is time for me now to hit her. Come on, I need to hit her. Go talk to her.
My friend, come back here.
What is it?
Frank, is this swear?
You know what?
Did somebody swear for you? This
Forget about swear or no swear. This is the time for me to, in fact. Okay, you know what you do? Go upstairs. Check. Shh. Go upstairs. Take your daughter. Take her with you. Go to the mall. Buy anything you want to buy. Anything. Let me handle this.
I don't want to go shopping. Thank you.
No, take it. Take it. Shh. Okay, this marriage is over.
No.
Then go to shopping.
Please now.
Go shopping with that card.
No, I don't want to go shopping. No, wait. Please. Wait, I'll go.
Go take your time, leave. Take your time, leave now. Shh. I'll take it easy.
took it forcefully.
A deep wound in my soul, a scar that could never heal, not even with time. Caught in the middle, standing at the edge. Tear in my heart that could never heal. There's a pain in my heart, a deep wound in my soul, a scar that could never heal, not even with time. Caught in the middle, standing at the edge. A tear in my heart that could a deep wound in my soul.
I still have the blood-stained clothes. Let's sue him. Let's report him to the police. Please. No. Why? He's the father of my children. I can't report him. He's family. Did he consider me family too when he did what he did to me? I was never considered family. I'm not supporting Frank. Deep down my heart, I know he wronged you. But he's just a man. Men are polygamous in nature. That's a big lie. A big, fat lie. There are still responsible men out there. And you deserve one. So you want me to come out? So you think me leaving my marriage is the best? Have you forgotten where we're coming from? Our mother left dad. Did she remarry? No. Was she able to give us the best life? No. Was she able to cater for you? Forget about me, I'm used to suffering. Was she able to cater for you? No. She died in abject poverty, leaving you to me. I slept with several men, I can't even count them, to make sure you have a roof over your head, food and your school fees. Then God sent Frank. God sent Frank to redeem us, and what do you want me to do? I should leave. You want the same for my kids? We can do something. I can hawk. I can do any type of work, any manual work. Whatever it is. Why are you sounding like a child? Are you a baby? Which job? Which job? You think hawking is that easy? It's easier said than done. But we have to do something. We can't just fold our hands and watch your husband do this to us. No, but you have to listen to me. If you love me, if indeed you love and respect me as your sister, please, I am begging you. Allow my husband to keep sleeping with you.
No! No!
Wait. Calm down. Calm down. Wait. Put yourself together. Do this for me. Save my home. Do this for me. Please. See, listen, let me tell you. I know Frank. Once he's tired of you, the moment he's tired, he will not near you again. Then he can go outside and forget whoever existed. Please. Please.
Can you listen to yourself? No, tell me. Can you hear yourself? I should allow your husband continue sleeping with me.
I am sorry. Fina, look at me. I am too old to sleep with men. Gone are the days when I could do it. Now I'm a mother. I can't keep sleeping with men to cater for you and my kids. I'm too old for it, please. Please help me. I know how you feel. It's not... Do you think I'm a fool? Imagine me suggesting my younger sister to my husband, but what will I do? What will I do? I am sorry. Come, sorry. Come, Mama. Come. Sorry. Come, I know. I know you are hot, eh? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Sorry.
A scar that could never heal, not even with time. Caught in the middle, standing at the edge. A tear in my heart that could never heal. There's a pain in my heart, a deep wound in my soul, a scar that could never heal, not even with time. Caught in the middle, standing at the edge. A tear in my heart that could never heal. I just wanna let you know this is not where it ends. Tomorrow holds something better. Don't let the hurts of yesterday.
You must remove this baby. Again? Again? This will make it the 4th time. I have begged you to tell your husband not to touch me again, but you didn't. Because if you did, he wouldn't be doing all these things. He wouldn't be repeating it.
I have talked to him. And there is no need crying over split milk. All I want you to do is to remove this thing in your stomach.
You want me to risk my life? I will not. I will not do it.
You will not do it?
Yes.
You will not do it. Initially, I preferred my husband sleeping with you because I felt that you are inside here now. You will not have eyes for my husband. But now I see that it's always the people that is very close to you that will do the worst to you.
Wait, hold on. Are you actually saying this to me? No, this is what you have to tell your own biological blood sister.
What do you want me to tell you? Eh? What exactly do you want me to tell you? Are you not shameless? Since you want to overthrow your sister and her husband's house, proudly, you want to bear my husband's kids. Are you not ashamed of yourself?
God forbid! God forbid that I dethrone you. For the sake of the respect I have for you, do not slander me. Don't!
Listen, all these things you are saying is English you are speaking. As long as I am concerned, you're not going to make my kids fatherless. Because the moment Frank finds out that you are pregnant, he will prefer you over me.
Oh my God.
How do you do this to me?
What are you saying?
What am I not saying?
Listen, it's not even as if I even want to have your useless husband's child.
Please!
I will not have a child.
Don't say that!
Why would I say
My husband is not useless!
he is useless?
Fine! Then please abort this baby!
I will not abort you!
I said you will!
There is a pain in my heart, a deep wound in my soul, a scar that could never heal, not even with time, caught in the middle, standing at the edge.
Easy, oh. Don't worry, I'll massage you with hot water. Sorry.
There's a pain in my heart, a deep wound in my soul,
Sorry.
scar that could never heal, not even with time, but in the middle.
Sorry. How are you feeling? Sorry. Don't worry, I'll press it with hot water. Oh. Sister, you heard what the doctor said? My womb was nearly cut off today because of excess bleeding. And even until now, I am still bleeding. I am still bleeding. Please, tell your husband to stop touching me.
He will never touch you
I
again.
beg you.
He will never touch you again. As long as I am in this house, Frank will never touch you. I don't want you to be worried about anything. How can I be here and he'll be touching you? It doesn't make sense now. He will not touch you again.
Because I don't know how I'll be trying to save your marriage and my life being...
Sorry. Nothing will happen to you. I rebuke it in the name of Jesus, amen. Nothing will happen to you.
I don't know how I'll be trying to save my life. And you people want to destroy it permanently for me.
This is my problem with you.
Why?
This is my problem with you, Fina. You confess negativity. You're always negative. How can a fine girl like you say your life wants to be destroyed? With all this body, with all this fine shape, with all this fine face. If there is anything I'm going to promise you, is that Frank will never touch you again.
Please, you have to beg him. I don't want to pass through this phase again.
I know.
I beg you.
It's okay.
I beg you.
I know. I'm your elder sister. I'm supposed to protect you. I am sorry things are like this. But please, give me this one chance to redeem myself. Okay? Wipe those tears. I don't... Hold on.
How dare you leave your daughter and I in the house? How dare you? Is it the duty of a man to take care of a child?
My home.
Sis, why do you always put up with this man? I feel it's better to be unmarried than to be in this kind of marriage. This is hell. This is not marriage, I swear. Like, I don't even know what you fancy in all these things.
Don't say that.
Let's leave. We can build ourselves. We can start from somewhere.
You are forgetting, no? You are forgetting that we are coming from the street. That street we come from.
I know, but there is something we can still do on our own.
Sorry. You want us to go back to the street? Eh? Do you want us to go back to the street? We used to stay in uncompleted building before this man came for us. Don't say that. Leave that thing you are saying. I don't like this topic. Change it.
How dare you? Huh? How dare you?
Hey! Stop! What is wrong with you? Don't you dare! Don't you! Fina, what is it? When will you stop the slap now? You mad? What did I do?
Honey, no, you caused it. Please. See her. She has started insulting me. In my house.
No. My love, please. Don't mind all this Gen Z generation. Please, don't be angry, please. My love, wait. I am sorry. You know these Gen Z people. You know this Gen Z generation. Did I beg you? You should have allowed him to slap me. It's not just small slap, yeah? I don't understand what you're saying. It's not just small slap. It will not hurt me. Why did you stop it? Eh? Don't touch me. Baby, come and slap me. Come. Don't be angry. Come and slap me. My love, please.
No, I want her. I want her. I like the mood that she is now. I want to have her in that state of anger. That's what I want. That is exactly what I want, so you better go and tell her.
How can you say this now?
I have told you. You better go and bring her.
How do you expect me to tell my sister that is just coming back from the hospital that she should sleep with my husband? My sister is bleeding. She just had an abortion. They almost cut off her womb. My love, please don't do this. Stop doing this.
I want her. She's bleeding. They almost cut off her womb.
Yes.
Very sweet.
You have conscience. Have conscience now. She's still bleeding. If you near my sister with this anger in her heart, she will stab you.
Who? She will stab who? Me. She will stab me. It will be very sweet too. It's easy to stab someone that is sweet. I am sweet and she knows that I am sweet. Huh? And the whole thing you're telling me that she's bleeding. Sounds so exciting. So exciting. I need to imagine it. You put in. Everywhere will be succulent.
Jesus
going
Christ.
Free. You know, you don't need any lubricant. Everywhere is now free. Everywhere is open because she just did abortion. So everywhere is just wow. Like that. Do you understand? Everything is that going inside small. So you have to go and tell her. Tonight is going to be an exciting night.
Frank, you are horrible.
Really?
Jesus Christ.
It will be sweet though.
You don't have human sympathy. I'm telling you that my blood sister, my biological sister is bleeding. And this is what you have to say.
Go and tell her that Frank, I want her.
You cannot have my sister. You cannot have my sister now. It's not nice. It's not nice.
Yeah.
Yes. It's not fair. I am sorry. You are horrible. This is not nice.
Go and tell her that I want her.
I'm not telling. I'm not telling my sister. What is wrong with you? Leave me alone. Baby, stop doing this. See, are you ghost?
Why hold my waist?
Hey, Jesus.
Hold it.
Frank, go away. Please.
Hold the waist.
I'm not touching you.
You're not touching me.
Yes.
This marriage is over. No, it's...
No, sorry.
Yeah, hold the waist.
I'm holding you.
Hold the waist.
I'm holding you.
Hold it.
I'm holding you. Hi.
This is 3 years, that's how I'm going to do it. Yeah, tell me to whine it. Yeah? Tell me, Frank, whine it.
Hi. Frank, whine it.
Whine it.
Whine it.
Whine it, Frank.
Whine it.
Wait.
Whine it.
Say, Frank, whine it.
Frank, whine it.
Frank, whine it.
Frank, whine it.
Now let me go and take my bath.
Whine it.
I'll do it today. So you better go and tell her. Go and tell her. Let me take my bath. See, that my boxers, the white one, that one that has a light. Clean it and wait tonight.
A deep wound in my soul, a scar that could never heal, not even with time. Caught in the middle, standing at the edge. A tear in my heart that could never heal. There's a pain in my my heart, a deep wound in my soul, a scar that could never heal, not even when
Open this door.
time got
Open this door.
me close, standing at the edge.
Open this door.
A tear in my heart that could never heal. I just wanna let you know this is not where it ends. Tomorrow holds something better.
First there, you come here. I said come here! I said you should come here. So you asked her to come here, come here. Come, drag yourself. Come. In fact, cross. I'll drag you.
Sorry.
Come.
Sorry.
Come.
Please.
Come.
Maybe Sonia is
Shh,
here.
sorry. Yeah, leave the room. Come. Go to the sitting room downstairs. Come on. Downstairs! Hey, come. So you asked her to lock her door. Knowing fully well I was going to enjoy myself today. No, you asked her. I said you should come.
Wait.
Why did you ask her?
Baby, wait, let me come.
Why did you ask her to lock?
Why?
Why? Jesus! I asked her to lock the door when I told you I was going there. Isn't it? Come here. Come. You asked her.
Blood of Jesus! Blood of Jesus! Hey! Blood of Jesus! Blood of Jesus!
He beats and raped you again? That man is a monster. Why would he do this to a pregnant woman? Why?
This is what happens when I say no. I'm even scared he might do worse. Maybe he throw us out from the house. I don't know.
Throwing us out is not worse. What is worse is beating and raping you. We need to leave.
Thank you. No, I can't go anywhere, you know it. I can't go. I don't want to be a divorcee. I don't want to be like mom. People will talk. Who
cares about what people say? Who cares? Our relatives that want us dead? Should we care about what they think or what they say about us? What will people say have destroyed a lot of lives? Do you want to be one? Do you want your life permanently destroyed? Is that what you want for yourself? Is that it?
I can't go. Hold on. Wait, Fina, listen to me. You know I love you, right? I need you to do one thing for me. Just one thing for me, please. My marriage and my life is in your hands. Please, Fina, put yourself together. Hold on. Listen, when you heal, please let him sleep with you. Fina, please, do this for me. I am tired. Please, I am begging you.
Says we need to break up.
No.
We need to leave. Look at me. We can leave. We can do it. We can survive.
No.
Please.
No. Well, listen to me. I'm your sister. I'm your elder sister. I know better, please. No, I know better.
No.
It's okay. Please.
I don't want.
What did I tell you about your useless husband touching me? Did I not warn you to warn him?
To the best of my knowledge, he has not touched you now. He has not. I'm sure of that.
What do you know? No, tell me, what do you...
Wait. Don't tell me you are... Are you pregnant? Hey! I thought you were taking the pregnancy prevention pills I gave you.
But I did.
You did? And you are still vomiting? Hi! Why are you this fertile? Why are you this fertile? Why are you this fertile? Eh? Any small more you will take it. Any small more you will take it. What is your problem? After giving birth to Sonia, it took me so many years before I carried this baby. What is your problem? You that don't have work. Any small more you will get pregnant. What is it?
Wait, sis. Are you blaming me? No, how is all this my fault?
Listen, you're going to remove this baby. Do you hear me? You're not going to give birth to this baby. You're going to remove this baby because I know I have a son in my womb. My husband will take this one. Remove this one.
With all due respect, sister, you are mad. Yes, I can see something is wrong with you. Like, I think you've lost it, right? Didn't you hear the doctor's advice? Were you not there when he said I should not abort anymore? Huh?
Fina, you are a child. I understand pregnancy. I understand marriage more than you do. So you're going to listen to me. You're going to remove this baby. Because if you don't, Frank will insist on marrying you and you will dethrone me. Do you want to dethrone your sister? Eh?
God forbid. I spit it out. Wait, which throne? Is this what you call a throne? This hell is what you call a throne. God forbid that I get myself involved in this kind of mess. Your husband is a very despicable man and I can never end up with such a man. Instead, I will die being single.
No problem. Leave my hell alone for me. No problem. It's my hell. Have I complained to you before? It's my hell. Exactly why you remove this baby. You're not going to give birth to this baby. You must remove this baby.
Okay. Come and force me then. Come and take the baby out of my womb. You want me to die, isn't it? No, you want to kill me. Finally, your plans with your husband, you want to finally achieve them. It will not work because I still have a long way to go in my life. I will not remove this child, neither will I marry your husband. I will not do such a thing.
Fina, you must remove the baby.
And I said I will not.
Fina, you see, you are challenging me.
You're very selfish. Yes, you are a very selfish human being. Mother, anywhere she is right now, will detest this evil, selfish act of yours.
You now talk back at me. I don't blame you. I don't blame you. Do you know who I blame? Frank. You're stealing my husband's property now. That's why if I talk, you talk. My friend, you're going to the movie. Leave me! Hey! No, leave me!
Yes, respect is earned, but unfortunately you lost one. Get out.
Fina! Fina, you must! You must remove this baby!
A deep wound in my soul, a scar that could never heal.
I overheard your
I
sister.
need 350,000 naira for my upkeep.
Are you pregnant? Pregnant. Wow. Exactly what I've always wanted. Hi! Franco, Osisi Boronko, I did not scatter. Don't worry, I'll give you the money. You want 300 and what? 50,000. I'll give you 500,000, don't worry. I'll give you 500,000. See, let me tell you. From now on, you have the liberty now to do whatever you want to do. Whatever you want to do, whatever you say, it will be carried in this house. Because you already have what I want. You can do whatever you want to do as long as you carry my baby. So, you see, you know that when a woman is pregnant, she will need the father of the baby to be servicing her. We'll be doing it. But this time I'll be doing it slowly. Do you understand? Then once you get to, the pregnancy starts coming up, we'll now change the style. With the donkey. Taking it from the back slowly. You enjoy that one. You like it. Someone that is pregnant, there is no way you keep my baby anyhow. So it will now be going from the back. Do you understand? We'll be doing it from the back. So that on the day of delivery, it will just come out. Do you understand? It won't be that hard. It won't be that difficult. Because the father of the child must have serviced the whole areas to be, wow, like that. Do you understand? So I'll do it literally. Just the usual way. The marathon starts from tomorrow night. Marathon. I'll be servicing you. Mama and Papa will. You'll like it, trust me. But before you know it, you'll receive your money. I'll send it to you. No problem. Look at you. Very beautiful girl. Ha ha ha. Oh, you enjoyed Franco, eh? Lips is very sweet. I taste my own. Come on, let me go. Franco. Don't worry, see.
There's a pain in my heart, a deep wound in my soul, a scar that could never heal, not even with time. Caught in the middle, standing at the edge. A tear in my heart that could never heal. There's a pain in my heart, a deep wound in my soul, a scar that could never heal, not even with time. Caught in the
I have left you and you, selfish husband. No, I will not remove my child. I won't. I will not risk my life anymore. With all due respect, please, don't you ever call my line again. Don't. You and your husband feels you're my God. But no, my God is still alive. My God is still alive and my hope is still alive. I will start from the scratch. I would fend for myself. With God by my side, I can do all these things. I don't care. I will survive. I will. At least now that I am free from your toxicity, I am free from your bondage. Just don't call me again, please. Don't you ever call my line again.
There is a pain in my heart, a deep wound in my soul, a scar that could never heal, not even with time. Caught in the middle, standing at the edge. A tear in my heart that could never heal. There's a pain in my heart, a deep wound in my soul, a scar that could never heal, not even with time. Caught in the middle, standing at the edge. A tear in my heart that could never heal.
I swear, I will never let any man do to me what that bastard did to me. Nobody, I repeat, nobody will make me reminiscence my...
Story. I mean, could it be that she's dealing with some trauma from her past? Because why is she so rude? Hey, are you okay? Are you okay?
What are you
sick?
doing here?
Look,
Don't you come close to me. Get out! What are you doing here?
no, I was just asking if you're sick. If you're not feeling, I can take you to the
I
hospital.
don't need your help. I don't care. I don't want to know. Just get out!
Wait, are you sure you're feeling okay?
Get out! Get out from here! Get out!
Look, I'm only trying to help. I'm only trying to
I
help.
don't need your help. I didn't ask for one. Just go!
You're throwing up like someone who's pregnant. Are you pregnant?
Are you okay? Are you stupid? No, is something wrong with you? Okay, because each time you come here, I try to play gentle with you and you think I'm gentle, right? Now, before I open these eyes, just disappear from here or else you wouldn't like what will happen to you. Get out! Excuse me, get out! Just let me come out. Let me come out and wait for you and see you here. Hope you're still there, right?
Why do I feel like this girl might need help? She looks so sickly. Do I go check up on her? No, I don't need anyone shouting down my head.
She was pregnant.
I was?
She lost the child. I had to perform a DNC just to save her life.
Can I see her?
Yeah, you can. When she wakes up.
You lost a child. A DNC was done to save your life. I'm so sorry.
I know it would have been difficult for me to raise this child. At least I wanted a family member with me. But now I have nothing.
Look, don't sound like that, okay? As long as there's life, there is hope. You can still have more children. Look, I hope you don't mind me saying, but it's not very safe for you here. Why don't you just come to my place?
No. I will not let any man take advantage of me again. No.
Someone has taken advantage of you before?
It is none of your business.
Listen, I know you're hurt and you're in pain, but you don't have to take it out on innocent people that have done nothing to you.
Stop forcing yourself on me.
Fine. I'll stop.
I'm so grateful. Thank you so much for paying my hospital bills. I would love to pay back. I would work.
Listen, you don't have to pay me back, okay?
I insist. I don't want to owe anybody.
You don't owe me anything. Please, don't worry about it. If you insist on staying here, can I at least make it a bit more comfortable for you?
No, thanks.
Hey, please. Okay, fine. Can I at least come and check up on you for my own peace of mind? Please.
Okay.
I'm actually very happy that you're doing okay.
Thank you so much.
I've been wondering, have you ever thought of taking your business online, like creating an online presence?
I know about that, but no, I don't believe in it at all. Nah.
Are you being serious right now? In this time and age? Look, the world has gone digital. Everything is now online. People actually make way more money online than when they sell stuff physically. Look, everybody is busy. People are ordering food, clothes, gadgets. Everything is online right now. You could do the same thing. Just, repackage your brand. You can even, repackage your food in such a way that you can even sell it at more expensive prices and make more money for yourself. You have to think about it. Look, I could even help you. I can help you with, designing your brand logo, creating your social media platforms, and everything that comes with it. I can help you. You know what? Just give me a second. I will show you now. Let me boost your morale, because it's as if you're doubting yourself. Let me boost your morale. Show you what I'm talking about. Come with me. Let's get started.
So how much do I pay you for, trying to help me out?
Come on, are we still on this? Every time you're trying to pay me back for something, you don't have to pay me. I want to do it for you for free. I want to help. Okay? Just allow me to do this for you.
Okay.
Great. So, for now, when I finish what I'm doing, you'll see.
Here.
Thank you. So thirsty. I actually needed that.
Yeah, I know.
Anyway, I'm practically done.
Oh.
Yeah, that's it. I've created all your platforms.
Oh.
So I think that for now, I am going to be your admin, run everything, all your social media platforms, help you with promotions, with sponsored ads and everything like that. And then I will show you the ropes so you can take over and do it yourself in time. All right. And then also I could help you get a loan to pump more money into the business. When business starts to boom, and I say when intentionally because I know that it will happen, you can pay me back. And I only say that because I know you. And it's Martin. Where can I pay you back? Where can I pay you
Stop
back?
it.
Yeah, so that's pretty much it.
Oh, thank you so much. I mean, I'm so grateful.
Nah, it's okay. I'm just glad to help.
The solar just came up. Thank you.
You're most welcome. First things first, let me show you what your login details are. So I pretty much use the same username and password for all the platforms, so that will be easy for you to remember.
Okay,
But
that's
if you
Fina
forget,
Food Online.
yes, just the one you told me. So if you forget, just let me know. We can always click on forgot password and get new login details.
Okay.
Let me show you your other page. This one is
This icon is for what?
So this one is for Instagram,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
Which I feel like is, well, I guess when the business starts to run, they will realize which platform has
More
much more
audience,
exactly.
okay.
Yeah, because it could be Instagram, it could be TikTok,
Could be Facebook.
could be Twitter. You never know. So. Hello, bro. Yeah, what's up, man? Ah, crap. I totally forgot tomorrow's CDS. Man, look, bro, I'm not going to be able to make it. You're going to have to cover for me. I'm busy with stuff. What do you mean busy doing what? I'm trying to help a friend start up this food business, and right now I'm practically just running everything until, she's able to do it herself. But just cover for me, please. I beg now. You want to make me beg? All right, no other things. I owe you. All right. How can I forget CDS?
Things are really costly in the market.
It's the economy. That was why I insisted on the price for this place of food.
I know, but it's still very costly. I mean, this is like triple of what I sell in the market. Are you sure they will patronize me?
I am sure. Don't worry. Listen, once it gets to the right audience, it will sell. Trust me, okay? When we get to the house, I'll run the sponsored ad for you.
Okay, thank you. Hello? Yes, I'm Fina Food on the line. The account number is there on the page, yes. You want to place an order for 12 plates of party jollof rice? Okay. Oh, okay, sir. The food will be ready in 40 minutes' time. Yes. Oh my God! Oh my God! 12 plates of... Fina, just come. No, just come. I need to call Nathan. I need to call Nathan. Nathan! Jesus Christ, I can't believe... Jesus Christ, this is unbelievable. Like, this is my first order for... Hello? Nathan, pick. Hello? Yes, Nathan. Guess what just happened now? Guess. Okay, I was already on my way out to see if I can make some sales around the neighborhood at least before the online thing can boost. I don't know when it will happen, but guess what? I just got a call. Yes, someone just called me and I said he wants 12 party jollof rice, like 12 plates. I mean, this is so amazing. Oh my God, Nathan, you won't understand. I'm so happy. I know. Okay, this one I'll just give it away. I'll just give it to people out there. Don't worry, it's nothing. Oh my God. Okay. Okay. All right. I'm waiting for the dispatch rider. All right. Thank you so much. All right. Okay, thank you so much. Okay. Here are the remaining 4. 6 is already inside, right?
Yes.
Okay. Careful.
So I'll call you.
Okay, as soon as you arrive to your destination, you call me, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Can I help you?
No.
Okay.
Hi, Nama. Okay, ma.
Hello? Yes. He just left now. The dispatch rider. Yes, he just left. And I'm so happy. I am so excited. Like, oh my God. No, this is not happening. You're coming? Okay, all right. I'll be waiting. Yes! Oh, Jesus. Okay.
Well?
55 minutes after, I got another call from the same man. He asked for extra plates of, 10 plates of food. I honestly didn't see all of these things coming so soon.
Well, to be honest, I'm not surprised because anyone who tastes your food will definitely come back for more, and that's a fact.
Oh, thank you so much. I made extra 30,000 naira. Do you know what it means?
You did?
Yes, 30K, just like that.
You deserve this, all right? You've worked really hard. You've put in a lot of work into this, so yes, you deserve it 100%.
Okay, thank you so much. But I wouldn't have done any of these things without you.
Oh, come on. Look, I did not do anything. I only just gave you a bunch of ideas.
But it was pretty much so helpful. Right now, like, I am excited.
I can tell. Like,
yeah.
look at your
Okay, so hope you enjoy your meal.
Yes, of course.
Okay. You want some? Okay, no, you've not finished your food yet. I'm just so excited.
Please, can I get some more water?
Oh, okay, yeah, sure. Be right back.
I have fallen in love with you, but I can't show it. Reason being, your mood swings.
Are you sure of what you're saying?
Yes, Mama, I'm very sure.
Wipe your tears. You're mommy's baby, right? Yeah. Put yourself together. Oh. It's okay. Go upstairs, I'm coming.
Okay, Mom.
Frank, how could you? Beating me to the point of killing the baby in my womb was not enough. My daughter. Your own child. Frank. Frank. Frank.
Hey, hey, hey. I am so excited.
Evidently, so you're throwing yourself full of what's going on? Just calm down. I know that you are overjoyed, but just calm down, all right? Okay, great. So now, tell me, what do you plan to do with this money? Personally, for me, I feel like shelter is non-negotiable. It's very important. I've never really been comfortable with you being here. Look, my place, as I've been saying from the very beginning, is available. All right? I live there alone since my parents died, and I don't have any siblings. You can move in and you can stay downstairs while I stay upstairs, or you can be upstairs while I'm downstairs. Or better still, my boys' quarters is also available. I can rent it out to you if you want.
So tell me, what is so special about this your house?
There's nothing special about my house, so I'm just trying to help. That's all. It's not as if there's anything special about the place.
Okay.
Okay? You agree?
Yes, but how much do I pay you?
Well, how much do you want to pay me?
Anything. Just tell me and I will send it to your account.
Personally, for me, I would give it to you for free.
No. You've done more than enough for me already. Come on.
Okay, fine. 100K.
No way. No.
What is no way? What is wrong with 100K?
No.
Okay, fine, 200.
It's still small.
Well, excuse you. I'd have you know that it's my house.
Oh.
Yeah? Whichever amount I decide to rent it out, it's my business, right?
Okay.
Okay, great. So, I need you to go in there, get your stuff, because you're leaving right now.
Right now?
What are we waiting for? There's no need to delay. Just get your stuff and we'll be on our way.
Okay. Can I come with my mattress?
Just go and get your stuff.
Okay. All right. Be right back. The Lord has done it finally.
Let's go.
Done?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, sorry. Hello, who is this? Tracy. Why? Why are you calling me? Don't I ask you not to call me again? Why are you calling my number?
Now he's molesting Sonia.
What?
Yes.
That bastard is molesting Sonia?
She told me he's molesting his own daughter.
Oh, no, not my niece. Sis, I didn't know it has gotten to this level. You need to lock that bastard up. Sis.
He even beat me. He beat me up last month shortly after you left. Till I miscarried my baby.
Hold on. You mean that bastard raised a finger on you and you miscarried your baby?
Yes, he did. He did.
Oh, no, this is not happening. No,
No, sis, I beg of you, please. We need to arrest this monster. We need to lock him up.
I can't. I don't have the power to. How are we going to survive if I report him? Where are you, Fina? Are you fine?
I'm fine. I'm fine. Please do not worry about me. I'm okay. My concern right now is my niece. Please protect Sonny at all costs. I beg of you. I will come for you. I promise. I promise.
Okay, bye. It's like he's back.
Okay. All right. Stay safe. I'll talk to you later. No! No!
Hey. What is all this I'm hearing about molestation and abuse and miscarriage? What is going on?
Frank is a bastard. He's a devil.
Talk to me. Just calm down and talk to me, okay?
My sister's husband. He's a womanizer. A chronic one at that. It's in their blood. It started with his grandfather, over to his own father, and then him. Now he just molested my beautiful 7-year-old niece. Sonia.
Wait. Just hold on. Let me try and make sense of what you're saying. So, other than the fact that he's a chronic womanizer, he also molests underage girls.
Yes.
With not just anyone. His own daughter.
Yes. My niece. Oh God.
How does that?
Nathan, please, I want to ask you for a favor. I know that, yes, I might not have the money, I might not have the connection, but please, I need help. I need to put this man behind bars. I need to lock him up. He needs to rot in jail. This suffering is too much, and I can no longer take it anymore. No, but please, I need help. I don't want anything bad to happen to my sister. She's all I have got. My sister's life is at stake, Nathan. Please, I need your help, Nathan, please.
It's okay. I'll help you.
You will?
Yes, I'll help you.
Thank you so much, Nathan. I'm grateful.
Good day, sir.
Yeah, good day.
Are you Mr. Frank Johnson?
Yeah, I'm Mr. Frank. How can I help you?
You're under arrest for raping your sister-in-law, Fina, here. and for molesting her niece, your own daughter, and the domestic violence on her sister that led to the point of killing our born baby.
What? What sort of accusation is that? Now I'm asking you, what sort of accusation is that? What nonsense? You! Where's my wife? Babe! Babe! What nonsense? You walk into my house, babe! Very stupid people. Can you imagine your sister? Can you imagine your sister accusing me of rape? Because I refuse to sleep with her. Can you imagine the smelly thing? Accusing me of rape. Look at that. The smelly thing. My friend, all of you, get out of my house. I said get out of my house, all of you.
She's telling the truth.
What?
Frank, I feel like I have failed Sonia. I thought it ended with other girls. You did this again, and again, and I said nothing. Then you went to my sister. I said nothing. But Sonia, your own child, a 7-year-old girl, what did you touch me?
Please, step back, step back.
Officer, she's accusing me wrongly. I did not do it.
Step back. Oga, we have enough evidence to nail you down, including the ones your wife just gave. I will advise you remain silent, for whatever you say or do will be used against you in the court of law. Please, sir, move. Move. Move.
Can I at least pick my phones?
Yeah, get them. Move.
There is a pain in my heart, a deep wound in my soul.
Barrister Jude is very good. He was my father's personal lawyer before he passed. And he's still a family lawyer. He's never lost a case. Not even one. He's going to ensure that half of Frank's possessions wills to you, including this house. He's going to go away for a very long time. And when he's back, he's going to get a restraining order to stay away from you and your daughter. Thank you.
Thank you so much. God bless you. Fina, where did you say he is again?
He's Nathan, my guardian angel.
That means you guys are dating.
No. He's like a brother to me. A friend. A business partner.
Okay.
Good day, everyone.
Hey. How are you?
I'm fine.
How was school today?
It was great.
Mom!
Oh, my baby.
How was school today?
It was great.
It was great.
I didn't hear the school bus.
It did more before the driver drove off.
Before the driver drove off.
Hi, Uncle.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Mama, are you hungry?
Yes.
Did you finish your school lunch?
Yes?
Are you serious?
Yes.
That's my girl.
Do you know what you're going to do for me? You will go upstairs, you will have your shower, Come downstairs and eat.
Okay.
Mama made your favorite.
Really?
Yes, really.
Okay.
I love you.
I love you too. I'm gonna see you later.
All right, my pretty angel. See ya.
See ya.
How can a father do this to his own child? How?
Frank is not a father. He's a monster.
What do you want to tell her? What will you tell Sonia about her father's absence?
It's simple. Tell her he traveled. I am sure she'll be happy.
So you see, it's actually a very easy game, all right?
Okay.
And you know you're smart, so you get it easily. All you have to do is link the colors. You see, the reds have to link with the other reds on this side, and then the yellow ones have to link with the other yellow ones on this side, and then the green ones on. Oh, I think that's your auntie's phone. Do you want to see if you can take it to her?
Okay.
Yeah.
So, let's see.
Auntie.
Yes, baby.
Your phone.
Oh, thank you.
Careful, Mama.
Oh, okay, it's just...
He's such a fine gentleman.
Yeah.
So why are you guys not dating?
No. I mean, you should know I have trust issues. Come to think of it, your husband, he was so good at the beginning. I mean, who would have thought?
So you're going to judge all men based on what Frank did? Sweetheart, there are still good men out there, and Nathan is one of them.
I know. Nathan is a good man. I know. But I don't trust any man again. I have trust issues. You see, my only focus right now is on how to build my food brand. I mean, make it so massive. Even if it goes international, it will be a plus on me, sis. That is my focus right now. I want to build a massive brand, a massive food brand that everybody will get to know about it. That is my concern.
Have I told you that I am so proud of you? I mean, I see all the massive Instagram followers, the reviews on your page. I'm super happy for you. Honestly, I never believed one could start from the scratch.
Of course, one could start from the scratch. Take a look at me. I'm a living testimony. Listen, sis. If there is one thing I've come to realize about life is this. Once there is life, there is hope. And once you're living and you have the desire, the goodwill to succeed, all you have to do is just put in your best and leave the rest for God. Take your baby steps one after the other, and you see yourself progressing.
I admire you. I wish I had the courage that you have. If I had just 1% of your courage, My daughter would not lose her virginity at this age. If I had the courage that you have, her father would not deflower her.
Oh, come on, sis. Don't be like that. Alright? You know, I'm just thinking. I just pray that my littleness, she's not affected psychological, mentally.
I'm praying too. Praying. I'll be inside.
Okay.
I'm so tired.
Alright, I'll be with you shortly.
It's fine.
Just have to go downstairs now.
Okay.
See, you're not doing bad. I told you we were going to catch on real quick. Yes, and then move this one to the side. That's great. And then move this red one to the other side.
Hi, Angel.
Hi.
Come. Okay, you have to go upstairs now. Mommy's calling me.
Okay.
She got you some chocolates.
Wow.
Nathan, I am very thankful. I'm so grateful to you. I mean, what would I have done without you?
Well, I could say exactly the same.
You're indeed a lifesaver. I'm grateful.
Is everything? What's going on?
Oh my God. Wait. I didn't even know how to say it. I just got a 2 million naira cooking deal just like that.
Wow, well, congrats. That's huge.
I didn't even know how to say it. We need to celebrate this, honestly. Like, Sister Tracy! Sis! Sis! Oh my God, I'm so happy! Sis, where are you?
Easy, just watch your step. Got you. Okay?
I can go. Leave me alone.
You can't. If I leave you, you are going to fall. So, just one step at a time. We're approaching the stairs. Easy, easy.
Stand out of the way.
That's the railing. Okay. There you go. Just hold on to it. I've got you. Okay. Easy. We need to get you to bed, okay?
Don't you want me? Huh?
Let's go. Let's go.
I want you.
What you need right now is sleep, okay? Almost there. There you go. Easy, easy. Hey, I got you something to help with the hang. Hey. What's wrong? Why are you crying?
What were the things I told you last night?
Well, let's just say that you were a bit vulnerable.
Frank has destroyed my life.
What is the issue? Come on, talk to me.
My sister's husband raped. My sister's husband raped me. He took away my virginity. He made me go through countless abortions. Not one, not two, not three. It got to the point the doctor said that if I should try one more abortion, I will end up losing my womb. He had sex with me every minute of the day. He formed it as a habit. I tried to break out, but the last time when you took me to the hospital, I was carrying his child. Yes, and I couldn't take it out because I don't want to endanger my life. I don't want to lose my life. I went through all of this and I feel like my life is a complete mess. This man has destroyed my life. I am losing it. I am going insane.
Just listen to me. Don't say that, okay? Don't say that. You're still intact. There's nothing wrong with you. You can still have your life back. You can still have your life back. You can. Just calm down, all right? Just breathe and listen to me. I think that you should go to therapy. You know, I could book you on an online session and you just take it from there. I think you really need it, and your sister as well, and your niece. Otherwise, you will not be able to live a wholesome life. The past always has a way of interfering with the future.
My name is Fina Robinson. Am I on to Paulina Ovie? Nathan gave me your number. I want to book a therapy section for 1 month. Okay. I should log on to www.paulinalvia.com. Okay. Sis, you need therapy. We all need one. I have booked a therapy section for you and Sonia. We need to start controlling the psychological damage. We don't have to allow it exceed the level it is right now. All right? We need to start from somewhere. That has always been my line.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I want to sincerely apologize. I am so sorry.
No. You don't have to apologize. Because I forgave you long before now. You're my big sister, and nothing can ever replace that. I mean, you've done so many good things for me to count on the bad one. No. You laid down your life for me. You gave up so many things in this life for my sake. I remember back then when you go hungry just so I can eat. I never forget.
My baby sister is so grown now. Thank you so much for forgiving me.
Anytime.
I was thinking, why don't you move back into the house?
No.
It's so lonely without you here.
No. This house, it belongs to Frank. I don't want to have anything to do with anything of his.
But it's mine now. It's mine, it's my house.
I know, but I prefer to stay at Nathan's. Yes, I pay my rent. And also he helps me with my work.
Talking about Nathan. I see the way you guys were looking at each other that day that you came to the house with him. And then I saw the expression on his face when you brother zoned him. This girl.
Oh my God.
Why are you guys not dating? I know. Frank. Sweetheart, Frank is a walking red flag. But Nathan is a good man. You should not let Frank's actions stop you from grabbing your opportunity, because if you ask me, Nathan is a huge opportunity. He's a good man. Don't let my bad decisions stop you from making good choices. Okay? I already made my choice. But you see, Nathan is a good man. All right? What is it?
Nothing.
Come here.
You okay? What's with the attitude?
So you have a girlfriend? You were speaking with her all through the night.
Wait. Is that jealousy I smell? Well, I mean, the last time I checked, I am not committed to anyone, so I am pretty much free to do whatever I want with whomever I want, right? Is that why you're angry?
No, I am not angry.
Oh, you're not? Oh, okay, interesting. Because I was going to say that if you were angry, then maybe it would have discouraged me from pursuing this girl. But since you're not, might as well proceed with whatever intentions I have with her, right? I mean, I wish it were you, but you clearly don't see me in that light. You have clearly brother zoned me.
No. Nathan, I am only scared.
Look, Fina, you're going through therapy right now, okay? And I am sure that once you're done with your sessions, you would feel so much better, okay?
Okay. Say me hi to your girlfriend. Maybe one of these days you get to introduce us.
Well, for the record, she's not my girlfriend. There is no girlfriend. It's my maternal cousin. We just reconnected last week, so yeah.
Nathan!
Joloxy. Oh my God. Joloxy will not kill you. Look at her face. Joloxy. Hey, Fina. Look, the dispatch rider just called. He's at the estate gate. Come, we need to prepare the food. Just leave all of that. Just come. Let's make sure that the packaging and everything is right. Let's just go.
All right.
Hurry! There's no time.
That guy wants to see you grow. He doesn't display any form of toxicity. Unlike Frank. Frank never wanted me to walk. And you know, when a man does not want you to walk, it means he might be abusive tomorrow. I'm not even saying might. He will be abusive tomorrow. Because you will be at his mercy. Any little thing you need, you will ask him. I'm your sister. I won't lie to you. Nathan is the man for you. Have you heard me? We're not doing tears. We're not doing tears again. Understood?
I feel so too. I feel Nathan is a good man.
It's okay. Frank called me. He's asking for my forgiveness. Our forgiveness.
I have forgiven him. Long before now. I do. Forgiveness is a factor that requires our healing. We need it for our healing process.
I can't get over it. I can't get over it. Each time I set my eyes on my child, I can't stop wondering, how can someone steal a little girl's innocence? She's so pure.
I know. But don't worry. She'll get over it as soon as she becomes an adult. Trust me. Listen. You don't need this energy right now. All you need to do is relax. Relax your nerves. Take it peaceful. Just close your eyes, and by the time you open it, all these things will just pass away.
I hope so.
Yes. That is what the therapist said. Remember, right?
Yes.
That reminds me. So tell me, how far have you gone with your therapy sections?
It's just day 2. But we're taking baby steps.
I told you. I told you.
It's just day 2.
Not to worry. Everything will be back to normal. Just soon.
Amen.
Sorry, my phone. It's later. Hi, dear.
You just got yourself a contract. A 1-year contract.
Sorry, can you repeat what you just said?
I said you just got yourself a 1-year contract, and it's in the millions. They've asked you to come over and sign the contract. I am so happy for you. Your prayers are active.
But I didn't apply for any contract. Did you apply for me?
But you got it on merit. I only sent you a food sample.
But how did you do it? You didn't even tell me.
Well, I wanted to be sure you'll get the contract. Plus, I wanted to surprise you. Happy birthday.
But that's true. Today's my birthday. Yes. But how did you know? Because I know I never celebrated my birthday.
Thank you so much. I am totally grateful. God bless you so much. I love you.
Say that again.
I said I love you.
I love you too, darling. See you soon.
Bye. This is him, right?
I know!